Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Gyan Chakra. As previous video I talked about this simulations tool. There are different type of tools available in markets. I have briefed about what are the tools you can use freely. Some of them are paid versions, some of them are freely available. Some of them to some extent paid version also they have given you can use with limited features. So with the continuation with that video, today I am going to tell you about the best and simple tools which is available in market, that is multisim. Multisim, with the multisim will start. As in previous video I have told you that how to make your user account and how you can create your user account. I already created my user account. So today I will tell you how to make a basic circuit in multisim. I will how to display, how you can simulate, and how you can draw the graph in multisim. So with the proceeding with this, before I will proceed, please subscribe my YouTube channels, so it keeps me motivated for making new videos and new ideas for you. Okay guys, let's start multisim. Let's go to my internet page. This multisim, already I have created my user accounts, and I will log in here with my user ID and password. You people might have made, and you can log in with your accounts. So your laptop should require internet connection for this one, because it is online, an online platform they have given. So today I am going to brief you basic circuits like current, voltage, how to measure across the circuits with a DC voltage source. Already I also briefed about how to use see all this in dashboard, what are your activities going on. All these will be available on your dashboards. Resources, pricing, if you want to take the paid version of multisim. And so today I will create one basic circuits for you. When you will create these circuits, there are some additional features also available. I will tell you. See, at the top left corner here you see in this this dot matrix, it is there. If you left click on this one, you will features are new file, save as, stream, exports, and go to. This export means you can export your schematics image, whatever you are making. If you have any graph image is there, also you can export. So first let me draw one simple circuit for you. So here in left side tab column, you see these are the sources available. If you hold here and click here, it will show what are the things available. See here voltage and current, voltage reference, here text annotations, and digital measures of current and voltage, and some additional features also available, but that because it is my free account, so this is not visible here. Like some parameters based also some features are there in multisim, as I have seen. So these are the grounds, schematic connectors, junction, grounds, and these are the source available: triangular type, clock, AC, DC, clock voltage, clock current, triangular voltage, triangular current, TC. All these are the sources available easily. Variety of source, you can make variety of circuits. Then some basic passive elements are available: resistor, capacitor, inductor, potentiometers, fuses, transformer, coupled inductor, and resistors. Then after coming this is the analog circuit, analog devices like op amp, 5 terminal op amp, ideal comparator, 555, and op amp. This one are available. Then after that this is diodes, general diode, LED, and general purpose diodes are available. After that some transistors list also there: PNP, NPN, JPET, and most PMOS, all these is available. Then some lamp, LED, 8 LED bar, buzzer, all these things are available. And all these slowly you see, if you so many numerous of items are available, control source available, all these things are listed here. So today with the first video of my this multisim, today I will discuss the basic here you can give name, here you can basic circuit. See, this is the basic circuits. Today I am going to tell you about how to create one basic circuit. And let me know, you guys, if you are interested, you can post me comment which circuits you want to make me. I will make for you, and I will help you out. Please comment in my comment box. And see, I will take one resistor, and here when you take with the right click and right click here, it will be pasted here. If you make multiple copies, you bring it here, hover on this, duplicate, control plus drag, you just left click, again you take here, then it will be duplicated. Again you take it here, you take some, and this one, but if you want to rotate it, you come in rotation sides and you drag and drop this one. Okay, and similarly you can put it here, and now this more than enough. These are basic circuits. 4 resistor I am going to use R1, R2, R3, R4. Now talking about the values also you can change. First we'll finish the circuits diagram, then we'll go to the values. Now once voltage source also required, like some DC source I have made here. DC source is available. Now for referencing to which reference you want to talk about, then we have to put one ground terminal also. This is our ground terminal. So with the ground terminal, I think all components are available which are mainly required to make a circuit. Now the questions how to connect. Now you type here, you just put your hover on the just junction, then you left click and you pull it on this. It will be like a connection. Now this is connected. Now if I want to connect, you left click and take this one and you connect it here, again right click. So this way you can connect all these circuits here easily. You can make, give me 2 minutes, I will make for you. And just hover just around this corner, you hover, it will give one symbol, the dumbbell symbol will be available easily. It is like connection, for the connection only. And now this our circuits is ready now. If you give some text annotations here, text label here, like input voltage source, V, this is the V in. Okay, this V in text annotations here, you can take it here, V in, and like here V out I can make, copy and paste, I will make it here, you can edit. So this is, you can edit here, V out, this is the V out. It is like labeling, you are labeling your node. So here all resistors value by default 1 kilo ohm. If you want to change, you can make some changes here. Like if I want to change, just left click on this one, here will be the name of the resistor you can change, and you see here the resistance value you can change. If I will make it 10 kilo ohm, enter, the value will be changed by default, no problem. So here some settings, like voltage source you want to change, voltage source, see here which type of voltage source, magnitude, AC, phase, and phase also required, it will give. Now 8 voltage source, 100 volt I will make it. So voltage source also will change. Now here again I will take this resistor value also. If you want to change, you take it like 10 kilo ohm. Okay, so this again you take 20 kilo ohm. Some basics knowledge only for this basic circuits. And here if you see this, again you take 10 kilo ohm. So this our basic circuits is ready now. Now question rise, this is R1, R2, R3, 4 resistor I used, input voltage I used, and output voltage. Now how to draw the graph, I will let you know how to draw the graph. First here you see some markers are available. These markers are available only for analysis. So if you want to measure the voltage, you take it and you just put it here. This is the probe, you can say it is the voltage probe. So it will measure always with the reference to the ground. The always for by default this probe are only ground. If you see here, again you take one more voltage probe, you put here, it will measure the input voltage from this terminal to the ground. This will measure this voltage from this terminal to the ground. But in some cases, if you want a voltage different between some other, between a resistor only, then in coming video I will let you know. So first I have put probe output and input. So now next is interactive. What are the live that you can plot? Here you see values will be updated. Here see 25 volt, 100 volt. See, we have measured the 100 volt input voltage and output is 25. You calculate analytically on your pen and paper, values will come only 100 kilo ohm, 100 volt at the input, sorry, and 25 volt at the output. If you want to see the graph, you go into the graph video. Here it will show you. See now graph also some basic features are available. Which type of trigger you want, single, auto, normal, none. So single means it will not go live, it will show only one single capture of your graph. Then auto also, auto means slowly it will go. If you can, and in this graph you can make it large or small. So you see here it is, if you trace out on the graph, output graph, it is showing 25 volt, it is showing 100 volt. These all are features available. And if you want to edit the circuits schematics, then you have to stop your simulation tools from here, go to the schematics. Now what I told you, if you sometime requirement is how to measure the voltage with respect to some reference. Presently voltage measured with respect to ground. So now here one facility is available, voltage reference probe. Voltage reference probe they have given. Now you go here, some settings here, you see voltage probe, then here they have given this voltage probe measure the voltage reference ground. So if you select here reference 1, this is our reference 1, it will tell you the voltage between the 10 ohm R2 resistor, 10 kilo ohm R2 resistor. Okay, so now we will go, we will see, we will plot what is the, how much voltage is coming. Here also, here it is showing minus 25 volt means this reference voltage is at higher potential and this is at lower potential. So if you make it reverse, then it will come 25, earlier 50 volt, and 50 volt here, then 50 volt here, it will coming to 100 volt. So with this video we have learnt about the basic circuits, how to make the basic circuits in our multi-sim, and how we will plot the voltage in the circuits. In coming videos I will tell you some more complex circuits, AC, and some how to maximum power theorem, and our BJT amplifier. All these I will make for you. If any additional things you require, please comment in my box and subscribe my YouTube channels. Thanks for watching.